26 years after his son was killed by pro-British paramilitaries, Raymond McCord's pursuit of justice is now focused on the government in London.
The British government are trying to ensure that I'll never be able to grieve, and many people like me. It's not going to happen. We'll beat them in court.
The Northern Ireland Troubles Act prevents new investigations and offers conditional immunity for crimes committed during 3 decades of conflict. Westminster says it's intended to promote reconciliation. Victims' groups say it's a breach of their human rights.
This is to protect the security agencies of the British state, and I'm a unionist person, and I have no problem whatsoever saying that. The government's hands are covered in blood.
In the Catholic suburbs of Londonderry, another family still mourns. 15-year-old Daniel Hegarty was gunned down by a British soldier during operations to reclaim so-called no-go areas there in 1972.
Well, the inquest found that Daniel posed no threat, and he was shot at 6 feet, twice in the head.
By a British soldier?
By a British soldier.
Daniel's sister Margaret believes the legacy law is a further attempt to shield British soldiers from prosecution while denying victims the right to justice.
But they're forcing that law on us. The people who don't want it are being told, you're going to do what we tell you. That's wrong.
Estimates vary, but it's thought that more than 1,000 Troubles-era killings remain unsolved, something the so-called legacy law is meant to help draw a line under. But it's been met with near universal condemnation by all parties and both main communities in an often still divided Northern Ireland.
Even military veterans groups who long campaigned for soldiers to be protected from prosecution are sceptical. Ken Johnston was a spokesman for the British Army during the Troubles.
We worked certainly across the veteran community. They were trained for defence of democracy and choice, and they will take that training with them and quietly get on with it. And I think that's the picture in Northern Ireland. So yes, there's opposition, but don't take it as carte blanche. One size does not fit all.
In Northern Ireland, it never will. Jonah, Al Jazeera, Belfast.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.